Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to teach you how you can create a job in a Grails application. Okay, so I have made your website which I have mentioned the link in my channel here. You can also find in the description here. Okay, so once you will open this app's website, I have created a post that contains the steps how you can create a Grails job step by step. So basically, let's understand first what is a Grails job. A Grails job is a class that will have some logic which will trigger again and again in a time amount of interval. Okay, so after a particular time amount of interval, it is going to repeat the code execution again and again. So we have a expression that we use in this job, basically the cron job, which is known as cron expression. So I have mentioned you a website here in the 6th step. You can click on that and you can see here you can find the cron expression. For example, if I click here every second and I just copy paste this and paste it here, so you will click on describe expression. Okay, so it will describe every second at 00 am. Don't confuse here with every second of this. Okay, so if you click here, and you must have a habit of copy and paste here to see its description. So when you say describe, so it says every second, every minute, but at 00 am of every day. That means it is going to trigger every second only at 12 am every day. Okay, so it's every second is starting from 12 am. So if you will use this cron expression, then it will not show you the results. Okay, so basically you just have to paste it here and see the actual description. So this is how you can create the cron expressions and get those values from here. So I will just cut this out and let's move towards our application. So this is our basic application. So whenever you open the application, sometimes you might see this cross here, red cross. So to remove this, you click on Gradle, click on this and click on reload. So it is going to refresh everything inside the project and this cross should be gone after a few seconds. It is just finishing up the loading and as you can see the cross is gone. Now you can just play the button. So this is a very basic application. I have nothing here present in this application. Now let's go to the steps which I have mentioned in this website. So first step is inside the build script, inside dependencies, we are going to paste this dependency. So I'm going to copy it from here and we are going to build.gradle. It says build.gradle. So inside build script, inside dependencies, I'm going to paste a dependency here. Okay, done. Then next step is like to place these two, copy inside the dependencies. So here dependencies is mentioned here, so we go at the last and we just hit enter and paste them here. Okay, so make sure whenever you make change to the file, specifically this file build.gradle, you must click this refresh button here or click on this and click this and again click reload, because the dependencies are changed, so you should have them downloaded. Okay, it is done now. Now I am going to create a job using the next step. In the console I am going to write this command. Okay, so I came in the console here and I just paste that here and I will hit enter. So this command is going to create a job whose name is my job name. and it is successful, and I'm going to check it where it is going to create. It says Grails app jobs folder. So Grails app jobs folder, here is our job. Okay, so this is the execute function. Whatever we write in this execute function, it is going to trigger again and again. So we again come to see the next step. So next step is to populate the execute function. I have a sample code here of this job where I have populated the execute function. So I'm going to copy this. As you can see, this code triggers job every 4 seconds. So this is the cron expression which decides the time every 4 seconds. So I will just copy this and I'm going to paste it in my file. Okay, so as you can see, we just pasted it, and let me change this to ln so it prints on every new line. Okay, now let's try to run this code. So I will just hit play, and it is going to take a few seconds to boot up the application. You will see the build.gradle. Sorry, I meant this build.gradle. Okay, all dependencies looks good. So the app is up. Let's go here. As you can see, our job is running every 4 seconds. So it is printing job run every 4 seconds. Okay, so if I delete this and if I count after the first, like 1 2 3 4, okay, so every 4 seconds you got a result. So this is how you create a Grails job, a cron job inside a Grails application. So I hope you have liked this tutorial and understood how to create a job. Do like this video and share. Thanks guys.